सो हाय हेलो नमस्कार वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। तो कैसे हो यारो? आई होप सब अच्छे होंगे, मस्त होंगे, स्वस्थ होंगे। तो भाई चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की भी इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग चैलेंज। तो भाई अभी फ़िलहाल मैं गांव में हूँ और भाई आके कम से कम 3-4 दिन हो गए गांव में आके। वोटिंग के लिए आया था, 25 मई को था वोटिंग। फिर अभी ये बना रहा हूँ। और भाई इधर गर्मी बहुत है उड़ीसा में, और दिल्ली में भाई इससे भी ज़्यादा है गर्मी। बताओ, दिल्ली में भाई कल देखा था 52 पॉइंट समथिंग था उसका टेम्परेचर। तो भाई समझ रहे हो ना, इस बार गर्मी बहुत गजब का हो रहा है। तो चलो भाई शुरू करते हैं आज की स्पीकिंग चैलेंज। ठीक है, तो देखते हैं अभी सुबह सुबह कौन आता है का लर्नर हमारे साथ स्पीकिंग के लिए। प्रैक्टिस ना हो, कनेक्ट विथ क्या लर्नर। भाई प्रैक्टिस होना चाहिए ना, ऐसे भाई बीच बीच में जब छोड़ देते हैं तो इसका वो जो रिदम रहता है प्रैक्टिस का वो भी वही घट जाता है। कौन है? हेलो।
Yeah,
यस।
hi.
हेलो।
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग पूजा।
Hello.
यस हेलो।
Yeah,
यस।
yeah, I think your voice is breaking.
ओके, मे बी नेटवर्क इशू आई थिंक।
Yeah, you have a bad connection, perhaps.
या आई थिंक सो। सो वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम?
So, tell me, how are you doing?
या आई एम गुड।
Yeah, you go ahead.
या आई एम गुड।
Mm-hmm.
व्हाट अबाउट यू?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. So, where do you belong?
वेल आई एम फ्रॉम ओडिशा। एंड यू?
Odisha.
यस यस।
Okay. Yes. I belong to Patna, Bihar.
ओके, पटना बिहार। ओके, सो यू आर यूजिंग द प्रीमियम
Hello.
मोड?
Yeah, I'm using the
ओके।
premium.
ओके, सो फ्रॉम हाउ मेनी डेज यू आर यूजिंग?
How minute?
हाउ मेनी डेज?
How many days? I have been using this application since the last month.
ओके। ओके, सिंस लास्ट।
And what about you?
या आई थिंक, या 20 or 25 days, like that. I have also using this app.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So how was your experience?
So on CV application,
Yes, yes.
well, my experience with CV application is a quite good because I have built my confidence
Okay.
and improved my communications.
Okay.
Yeah, as well as fluency.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, actually your fluency and your confidence is very much high as compared to me.
Yes, and I think the CV application is a great platform to learn English and build a communications.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
Yeah. And what do you do? What do you do for a living?
Actually, I'm a student and preparing for interview.
Okay, okay.
Hmm.
Okay, so that's the reason you are using this app, I think.
Yes, this is
Okay.
the only reason I am learning English just because of my job demand English
Ye-
and as well as the communication.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, in nowadays in every field, in if you,
Yes.
yes, yes, if you want to get a job in every field, there will be an interview, and interview will be in English.
Yes, I
Yeah.
think everyone demand English because why they demand English because they connect globally. They
Yes,
do
yes.
do the business globally. That's why
Yes, yes,
we
yes,
need
exactly.
English.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
So what? Yeah. So Ratan, what do you do for living?
Well, I work in a company
Okay.
in
Which
IT
company you
sector.
are working?
HCL,
Excel.
HCL.
HCL.
Yes,
HCL. Yeah, I have heard about this company.
yeah, yeah.
Actually, HCL. It's like a Microsoft.
Yes, yes, yes. It's like Microsoft. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So how's it going on?
Well, till now it's going good.
Hmm.
Yeah, and it's been 6 or 7 months I am working in this company.
Okay.
Yeah, so I am like a new employee.
You're a new employee. You have
Yeah,
joined as a fresher right
fresher.
now.
Yes, yes, yes,
So I think I think you are in learning phase.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
So, what's your plan to like? You also want to join in IT field or any government exam you're preparing for?
No, 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 no. Neither. No, no, no. I don't want to join either in government or or in IT.
Okay,
I have a I have a plan to join aviation industry.
okay, okay. That's great.
Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I am
Yes.
listening. Yes, okay, that's great.
So so tell me so can I ask you some questions?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
So tell me what's your routine?
What's your routine like? Daily routine?
Yeah, what's your daily routine?
Well, now I am in home. I am in Odisha.
Uh-huh.
I just came on 25th May because uh, in my village I had voting. You know, election. Yeah, yeah. That's why I came. And now I am in home, so my daily routine are like just wake up at 7 or 8 o'clock, then like normal, then and it's the in nowadays it's too much high temperature in my area, so nothing to do like outside activities. I just stay in my home, watch movies, web series, like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So so you tell me so you have found these applications useful?
Yes, yes, I think so. I think so because this at first this application is like free of cost. If you want to use
Yes.
premium mode, it's okay. But if you don't want to use 30 minutes is enough to improve your English speaking, and and in this app I usually met with so many people from South State to like they are learning English, and I think in my area, in my village, there is no environment to speak in English with the people, uh, and this app provides like
Yeah,
yeah,
in
yeah,
India it's a very common.
yes, 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 yeah,
You
in
will never get an English environment
environment, yeah, yeah, yeah,
instead of your own native language.
yes, yes, yeah, that's the reason. So I think, yeah, by this way this app is very useful. And
So, have you ever thought to take a subscriptions on CV applications?
well, for now,
Hello.
yes, yes, for now, I don't.
Hel-
I yes. For now, I am like I don't want to take premium mode, but maybe later I will think about it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah. What are your hobbies? What do you like in your free time? What do you like to do?
So, so to be honest, right now my only hobby is, hobby to
Okay.
learn English.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. That's great.
So, okay. So, do you have any questions to ask me?
Yeah. I. Um, do you like to travel?
Yeah, the travel is my passion. I want to,
Okay.
I want to explore in all over the India, and I want to learn the every every Indian cultures. I want to try the Indian food.
Okay. Okay, that's great.
Yes.
You have been traveled to which
Hello.
state?
Your voice is breaking.
Okay, maybe network issue. So to
Sorry.
which state you have traveled so
Sorry.
far? To which place you have
Right
traveled?
now, before,
Yes, yes, yes.
I think your voice is breaking.
Okay, maybe.
Hello.
Yes, hello. Am I audible?
Yeah. Yeah. Now it's fine, but your voice is breaking.
Okay, maybe my network is like up down, up down. I think.
Yeah, your network is not good right now.
Yes, 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 yes,
Okay,
yes.
so what did you ask before?
Yeah, yeah. I asked that. Have you visited to any places in India?
Yes, I have visited lots of places
O-
like in Tenses, Delhi,
Okay,
UP,
okay,
uh, Bangalore,
o-
and Ranchi, Jharkhand.
okay, okay,
So yes, and I have a plan to explore more place.
okay. That's great. And have you been to
Yes.
Odisha, people?
Sorry.
Have you been to Odisha?
No, I haven't been to Odisha.
Okay, so in future maybe you would like to visit Odisha, or
Yes, in future I will explore Odisha because it's my passion to learn.
okay, okay,
To
yeah,
learn the cultures and food, and I want to feel the Odisha's living standards,
yes, 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 yeah, yeah. So in
languages. There
okay,
are lots of things to learn.
yes, yes,
Hmm.
yes, yes. In every state in India, our India
Yes.
is like diverse. In India, there is so many
Hmm.
diversity. In every state, there is
Diversification.
yes, yes. In every state,
Yeah.
different language, different culture, different people. Uh, Everything is so different.
Yes. Everything is
Yeah, yeah.
different. I think this is the best thing in India.
Yes,
You
yes,
will learn and explore more things.
yes, yes, yes. Yeah. We
Yes.
yes,
So
yeah. So
mhm.
you have been to South State, right?
Yes,
Yes. So
I have been to South State in January
this year in 2024.
2024. Yes.
Okay, okay, that's great. So what's the main difference you seen in the South State and in North State?
Yes. So okay. So let me explain you.
Okay,
So in uh, South State, I have realized that the first thing it was the language barrier.
okay.
Hello.
Yes, yes, yes. I am listening.
Yes,
Yes.
because I struggled a lot.
Okay,
In Bangalore, people used to speak in Kannada only,
okay,
and I think the few people spoke in English. So
okay,
I managed with English language only.
okay.
And if I would say more, then one more thing is the food problem.
Okay. Food.
Yes, the food problem. I also struggle to eat in North Indian food
Okay.
because so I stayed in Bangalore. I think around 1 month. So
1 month. Okay, okay.
so I think yeah. So I struggled a lot in food as well because their food is totally different.
Okay.
Is if I comparison to the North Indian,
Okay, okay.
because North Indian yes, and Yes, and also one more thing is the Bangalore is a developed city, not
Okay.
the city state,
O-
and we're updated. And
okay.
I also found the people were very helpful, and they helped a lot over there.
Okay. Okay.
And in northern, so are you belongs to northern or south?
Well, I don't know. Maybe like
Hello,
My Odisha is in like middle. I don't know where I belong to.
middle.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yes. So this is I have felt over there in Bangalore,
Okay.
because
Okay.
the Indian food, it's so not the Indian, the northern food is very far different from the southern food, right?
Yeah.
Because in southern people, they don't like to eat too much spicy, and in northern people, they like to eat in spices, like they in the breakfast, Indian people like to eat paratha,
Paratha. Yeah.
roti
Yeah.
bhujia.
Yeah.
Yes, so this is the difference
O-
I felt over there.
Okay. Okay. So the people in the south state, they are helpful or not?
Yeah, the people were helpful, because they helped a lot.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So if I want to visit the south state, then like English, if I learn English, like my English speaking is very helpful in that place.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, like
Yes, perhaps it will be helpful for that, because in English, you only English you will manage
o-
in Karnataka, in every south state, because we don't know the
their
language like
language.
the
Yeah,
Kannada, Telugu,
yeah, yeah,
all. So
yeah.
yes, so if I ever visit in Odisha, then I also don't know to speak in Odisha, right? Odia.
Odia, yes, yes.
So yes, so I think maybe I will use my English
Yeah,
language over in Odia.
Odia, yeah, yeah. Actually, in Odisha, you can speak in English or you can speak in Hindi because Odisha people are no Hindi because Odia and Hindi are like same, not
But
so much different.
same.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Like if I say I eat, so in Odia we say mu khaye বা
Haha.
mu খাইছি
Mukhaisi.
খাইছি yes yes like that.
Okay, and Hindi, what to say? Uh, Mukhaisi, it means
It
मैं खा रही हूँ.
yes मैं खा रहा हूँ yes. So
Yeah, हाँ हाँ.
yeah, so you will understand Odia and you can manage in Hindi if you ever come to Odisha. But in South State they never speak Hindi language, right?
Right. They never
Yeah.
speak in Hindi language.
Yeah. I think that's the problem. If any north people visit to South State, then he will never speak in
Yes.
Hindi. So English is the one and only medium to speak with them.
Yes, I think I think the two thing is a major problem if you want to major problem to stay in Bangalore.
Okay,
Yes, the food and language. These
okay,
two.
okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
The food. And in Bihar, what is the most
Uh,
famous food?
in Bihar, the most famous food is litti chokha.
Litti chokha. Okay.
And what's your?
Well, in Odisha, if it comes to food, what you can say, it's the like we call in Odia as pokhado.
Aaj pokhado.
Yes, pokhado. But I don't know what's. in English. It's like
Okay, so let me tell you. I think perhaps I know the recipe. So I think this is the rice and the mix of the curd, right?
yes, 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 yeah, rice curd, yeah.
Pongta bhat, right?
Okay, okay. What did you say? Can you repeat what saying?
I think I don't know the pronunciation of your recipes,
Okay.
but I think I respect your recipe. So so this is I think this is the pongta bhat, right?
Po-
Pong,
okay, okay. Yeah, I think so. I think so. Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
So
Yes.
okay, so I think you have a less time
Yes, yes. I
to
have
speak.
10 minutes. Yeah, I have 10 minutes left.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, so Ratan, so you tell me about something. Sorry, tell me something about your city, state.
Well, in Odisha, our big festival is Ratha Yatra,
Haha.
and if you ever come to Odisha, then you should visit to Puri Jagannath, Jagannath Dham. In our India, there are
Okay.
total four dhams, and in Odisha there is one dham called Puri Jagannath.
Puri Jagannath.
Yes,
Yes.
and if you want to visit in like the historical places, then you should visit to Konark, then to the capital of Odisha, Bhubaneswar. There are so many temples,
Hmm.
and that's why we call the Bhubaneswar as like the city of temple.
Yes.
Yes, and yeah, and if you want to visit to like south part of Odisha, like the
Mm-hmm.
Malkangiri district and Sambalpur. In that area also their tradition, their culture is so much different than the eastern part of Odisha.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and in Odisha also uh, we speak the our like our main language is Odia, but in Odia also there are so many varieties of Odia language.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so each are a little bit different. Like I am from Moyurbhanj district in Odisha, so my Odia is
Mm-hmm.
little bit different from the Bhubaneswar.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so if you ever visit to Odisha, yeah, in Odisha also there are so much diversities in like district wise.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I also have a wish to explore Jagannath Puri
Okay.
Mandir.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. That's the very beautiful place. Yeah.
Because I have I think oftenly I have seen on on social media. So I think it's a very famous temple in
Ye-
all over the India,
yes. Yes. Yes.
and they conduct the Rath
Rath
Yatra,
Yatra. Yeah.
and there are the massive crowd.
Crowd. Yes. Yes. Yes.
I
So
think
much
so.
crowd. Yeah. Yeah. So much crowd. Like 10 lakh, 11 lakh, like
Yeah.
something. Yeah. Yeah. People from all over India they came to
Yes.
watch, came to see, came to witness the Rath Yatra.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So, have you ever joined in Rath Yatra
No, 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 no. I
since?
no. I have not joined the Rath Yatra till
Uh-huh.
now, but I will. I will in future because now I am like a child. I just in coming July I will be 19, and before that I was like in hostel only. I was a student, so yeah. So I have like no time to visit
Mhm.
Puri Rath Yatra. But in future I will try
Okay.
to visit. Yeah.
Yes, I think the Rath Yatra. It seems like it's a very powerful
Yes.
Rath yatra journey,
Yes, yes,
and people do due to all the respect and by heart.
yes, yes.
Yes.
So,
So,
in Bihar, what are the touristic
huh,
places?
yeah, in Bihar, you will get lots of historical places. Like in Chansey, have you ever heard about the Nalanda University? Because it was the first university in the world.
Okay. No,
Hello,
no. Yes, 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 yes.
hello.
Yes, hello.
Yes, have you ever heard about the Nalanda University?
Nalanda University. Yes, yes. I heard about that.
Hello.
Yes, yes. I heard about.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes. Okay. So, Nalanda University is in Bihar.
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
and the Rajgir, it's connected to the history like Mahabharata,
Okay. Okay.
and Bodh Gaya. It's a religious places where the all the I think who believes in Buddhism. So all the what to say tourists come and visit that place.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And one more place is a famous for the the Gurudwara Sahib.
Yes, yes, yes. Gurudwara Sahib. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, yes. I know. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, yes. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Now you're audible. I think your network connection is very poor,
Yeah, yeah.
so
Yes,
that's
yes.
why it is happening. In
Yes,
between the conversation, sometimes you you got stuck.
yes, yes. Yeah. Very poor network in my area.
Yeah. You have.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a very poor connection, I think,
Yeah.
and so oftenly you are getting stuck in the conversation, in
Okay.
between the conversation. So
Okay, okay. And in Bihar, there is,
hello.
and in Bihar, hello, कट भाई नेटवर्क बहुत घटिया है यहाँ का, देख रहे हो एक ही नेटवर्क है भाई, 4G नेटवर्क बस एक ही है, तो कैसे बात करोगे आप बताओ। ओके, अच्छा था, बहुत लॉन्ग कन्वर्सेशन, सबमिट, नेटवर्क नहीं है भाई अच्छा, पहले इसको क्या करें, नॉट दिस टाइम, हम पहले इसको वो करते हैं एयरप्लेन मोड, फिर देखते हैं, या अब आ गया, देखते हैं, अभी हमारे पास और शायद 3 मिनट बाकी है। हेलो।
Hello,
यस, गुड मॉर्निंग विष्णु।
Ratanlal.
यस,
Morning.
यस, where are you from?
I'm from Kerala. Oh, where are you from?
I'm from Odisha.
Odisha.
Yes.
Okay, okay. That's great. Cool.
Yes.
Then, what's up?
Well, I am good, brother. What about you?
I'm doing great. Okay, what do you do? So, your full name is Ratan Lal, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay,
Yeah.
what do you do, Ratan? Can I call you Ratan? Because,
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. You can call me Ratan.
okay, that's great. Okay, what do you do? I mean, you're a student or doing a work?
Well, yeah, yeah. I work in a company, IT sector, in IT sector.
In Odisha, right?
No, in Delhi.
In Delhi. Oh.
Yes, yes.
How long have you been there?
Well, it's been 1 year, I think. Yeah.
1 year. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So
Is it an IT company or?
yes, yes, it's an IT company.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
How's the
So
life there in Delhi?
what? Can you repeat once again?
Okay, how's the life in Delhi?
Okay, life is very busy, very like so much like people are every time you see people are just running here and there. Very busy life in Delhi.
Very pretty and very hot, isn't it?
Yes,
These
yes,
days it's very,
yes,
very hot, right?
yes, very hot and very busiest place.
I think last day you get some rain, isn't it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Because, okay, that's great.
Yeah,
Then,
yeah.
are you in work or?
No, no. Now I am in Odisha in home.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, I came for voting election purpose.
Oh, so in Odisha, it's the election is June 1st, right? The last phase.
Yes, 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 yes. Last page in June 1st.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay, okay, that's great. So,
tomorrow day
when
after.
will you go back to Delhi?
Yeah, I will return on 10th or 11th next month.
Oh, okay, now it's again you getting back to your hometown and in Odisha. I mean, what's the proper place?
Uh,
Just
li-
asking because I haven't been there in Odisha, but just asking for curiosity.
okay, okay. Like my home in Odisha.
Yeah,
Yeah,
your hometown.
my home in Mayurbhanj district.
Sorry,
Mayurbhanj district.
Mayurganj district.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah. It's
the one
the
place.
yeah it's the
Okay,
yes,
okay, great, great.
yeah.
And then, what's your weekend plan? Because today is Thursday, right? So
Yes,
after one day, Saturday. Oh, you have you have to vote, right?
yes,
You
yes,
have to cast your the day. Okay, the next
yes,
day.
yes.
Then come on, ask me
Yeah. So, what are your
something.
hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time?
I mean, I would like to do some lot of things, but actually I'm a freelancer now, so
Okay,
I'm not getting that kind of time to do much thing. So I have to prepare my what to say, prepare my contents for LinkedIn,
okay,
and I
okay.
have to practice, and I have to read a lot of things.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
Got it.
that's why I'm not getting enough time to do what I like to do. But
Okay,
of course, I love travel, and in in and after that, I like reading. I love reading a lot of books
okay, okay. So,
and
okay,
watching some podcasts. I mean, YouTube podcasts rather instead of the Spotify things. I like to watch YouTube podcast. So that's the
okay,
main. I have a lot of interest in that, acquiring these kind of things.
okay, okay. So you
That's
like
why.
to travel. So,
Okay.
so to which places you have visited?
Sorry.
You said na कि you like to travel. So I am asking to which places you have visited.
Oh, actually, the last place I visited in Isha. Have you heard about Isha Sadguru?
No, 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 no.
No, okay. There is a place called Coimbatore,
Okay,
Isha Yoga Center, which is run by the Isha Foundation, which is built by the Sadguru Jaggi Vastev.
okay,
You can see that on internet.
okay,
And
okay,
I have been there last month,
okay,
and it's an ashram actually. That was a fantastic life. I spent 2 days there, and it's the most, I would say, it's a most fantastic thing in my life I have ever done. Because before that, I have traveled to Tamil Nadu and a lot of other Karnataka, a lot of other states.
okay,
But that is entirely based on the what to say. To it's that all those travels were actually for visiting some places. That's it. But
okay,
this
okay,
Isha Foundation, like I said, it's an ashram. So it's fully about the journey towards myself, journey into the mind. So
okay,
that
okay,
was the most special day. That was my
okay,
last. How is it? And before that, I have been to Tamil Nadu and Karnataka and a lot of other states.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. That's great,
Then,
brother.
what are your interests? I mean, do you like reading or
Well,
travel?
well, I also like to travel. I have been to Rajasthan. Then
Nice.
yes, then I have been to West Bengal, and
Oh, West Bengal.
yes, and
Ah, okay.
I do my job in Delhi. So yeah, that's all.
Okay.
Yeah,
So actually, I really like to visit West Bengal. Actually, I don't know why because
okay.
I'm a great fan of Subhash Chandra Bose and the
Yes, yes, yes.
revolutionaries of Bengal. So that's why I really like Bengal. One day I would like to visit there. And okay, did you have you been to Bengal for some job related things or just visiting?
No, no,
Just
just to travel to explore. Uh,
to explore.
yes, yes.
Okay, what's the most interesting thing in Bengal? In
Well,
your
well, I have been to Kolkata, and in Kolkata
okay.
there is a park called Eco Park, and in that Eco Park you will see the like seven wonders of the world.
Okay,
Yes, yes, the replica of seven wonders of the world. Yeah.
replica, right? Oh, that's
Yes.
great.
Yeah. And then
I really like Bengali because in Bengali and Kerala, I mean, there are some cultural
yes, yes,
similarities. I would
yes.
say not fully cultural, but some similarities. I don't know why.
Okay.
Because the landscape, the area of the Bengal and culture and the food, because we in Kerala mostly we consume rice and fish, and like
Fish. Yes,
Bengal
yes.
it's also like
Yes, 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 rice and fish. Yeah, yeah. In Bengal, there's mach bhat like that.
okay, okay,
Yeah.
that's great. That's why I like Bengal and Odisha. And Odisha, it's Puri Jagannath temple
Yes,
is in the Odisha, right?
yes, yes, yes,
Bhubaneswar. Have you been there?
yes, yes. I have been to Bhubaneswar.
Sorry, my bad, because asking an Odisha asking a man from Odisha if whether he visited to this is the most dumbest question I would say. My bad. Okay, that's great. So, what's your plan today?
Well, today it's too much hot here, brother. Like today's temperature is above 40 degrees Celsius. So nothing. Just stay
Oh,
inside home.
okay.
Yeah. And how's the weather in your area, brother?
Well, it's what to say? It's a heavy raining days these days. Because
Okay.
we used to get rain. I mean, in from June, but in this year the rain has pouring in from May
May.
second
Okay.
week. I don't know
Okay.
why, and the most of our these the major towns are flooded actually.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the thing. In even the capital Trivandrum, it's also is flooded with uh,
Okay.
water. So it's it's a lot of infrastructure problems are in Kerala. That's the thing. I won't say negative. I won't defame my state, but there are a lot of infrastructure things we have to do in Kerala because we call we because mostly the people in northern Kerala, sorry, northern India says that we are literate that kind of thing, but that is not always right.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
We have a
And
metro in Kochi, but instead
okay.
of metro, we have to. I think we should have to and enhance our infrastructure facility. We people like to show off sometimes. Kerala people. That's the
Okay.
thing. That's the
Okay.
issue with us.
Okay. And they say Kerala like the God's own country.
God's own country. Yeah, actually, it's the tagline by the tourist department.
Okay.
Bro, it's not. Like I said, just a tagline used by the tourist department of
Okay.
that the KTDC, Kerala Tourist Department,
Okay.
and that became a tagline for Kerala as well. But the place is beautiful. Okay, the Alapura and a lot of places and beaches and hilly areas. A lot of beautiful places. Kerala is a beautiful place, but
Okay.
like I said, these governments with lack of vision, they are actually they have caused these both all the governments have actually damaged this state actually
Okay.
because they
Okay.
are not visionary. They
Okay.
just want to they just want to get in the
Power.
power
Okay.
and do that thing. That's all. That's the
Okay. Okay.
reality.
Okay. So in Kerala, which language you
So
speak?
what's the political condition there? I mean, are you interested in politics?
Well, I am not
Sorry,
interested in politics.
Ratan, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Hello,
Okay,
hello.
okay. Yeah, I can hear you. You can speak.
Okay, so
Hello, Ratan, can you hear me now?
yes,
Hello.
hello.
Okay, okay, yeah. Come on.
So what language you speak in
I think
Kerala?
it's the network issue. Hello, Ratan.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Hello.
Okay, okay. Uh, please.
Hello.
I think there is a network issue.
Yeah, yeah, I think so. It's happening. कोई नहीं भाई, आज का 30 मिनट्स भी कंप्लीट हो गया है। तो यही था भाई। भाई उड़ीसा में नेटवर्क बहुत प्रॉब्लम है ना। नेटवर्क इशू तो बहुत दिखाई दे रहा है भाई। ऐसे में कैसे होगा यार, अगर नेटवर्क ही ऐसे करेगा तो कैसे बात करेंगे, है ना। पर कोई नहीं भाई, चलो ठीक है। ये भी बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है। और आज का टास्क भी कंप्लीट, बहुत अच्छा लगा इनसे बात करके। एंड या दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद।